So I'm going to make potatoes in like a Pyrex, and so it's gonna have tomato sauce, paprika, and mustard and garlic. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm not gonna like go through every single stage, but I'm gonna show you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut as many potatoes as I need to fill in my little Pyrex thing. So I already have some in this pot, pan, Pyrex thing. God. And I'll show you when I'm finished, and then I'm going to show you what else I'm going to put in it. So this is how many potatoes I have in. Now I'm going to put in some of the spices. I'll show you. Okay, so a lot of herbs are going to go in there. I'm going to put oregano, I'm going to put onion, garlic, pepper, paprika, some mustard, a beef stock, which is a meatless beef stock because my partner's a veggie, and a veggie stock. And I'm also going to put the puree and a big tomato. So I'll show you in a minute. And olive oil, of course. No salt because I think the cubes have enough stocks. So I put the 2 cubes in a cup, and I'm going to put some water, and I'm also going to put the mustard, which because it's a powder, I'm just going to put half, like a teaspoon of the mustard in there. So going in with the olive oil. I'm Greek, and we produce our own olive oil. So, and I got this. This is really good off Amazon. I'll try to link it if I remember. So just put some olive oil to cover the base, and I put my stock in, and I'm just waiting for it to, the water to melt the stock so it's turned into this thing here, and just turning it and stirring it. So it looks very watery. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to cover it up with foil and leave it for about 45 minutes, like about an hour to cook. I've got it at around 200 degrees. So yeah, this is going to be lunch. So I've stopped drinking, what do you call it? Caffeinated coffee. I always drink decaf, and I found these on Amazon, and they're really nice. I really like them. So this is Little's Rich Hazelnut, which is flavor infused instant coffee. It has no added sugar, and it's 4 calories per cup, which is good because I need to have less calories when I'm dunking my chocolate digestive. And then I'm going to try this one. This one's new. The Little's French vanilla decaf. So I'm going to try that and see what that one tastes like. And I also have one more on the way, and if I get it before the end of this vlog, I shall show you. Oh, I need to clean this. So yeah, that is my coffee of the day today. So I got some things from a Greek online store I think it's in Scotland, and I'm going to show you what I got. Hang on, let me open it. So I got 2 Capri. I thought I got 1, but I got 2. And then you get the leaflet with information. These are the best biscuits, yummy stuff. And yeah, they're really nice. They're better than Oreos. And an almond chocolate, Iona Migdalu, and a little Lila Pause, which is with strawberries. And I also got, you can see my hair because I'm bending. So I also got cream balsamic with pomegranate and vanilla. So it's a balsamic sauce, which I'm going to put cream, which I'm going to put on my food. So this is what I got. I'm going to hide these because these are amazing and I eat them. So I'm going to give them to my partner, and he will give it to me whenever I'm supposed to eat, not too many. Okay, so now that I've disinfected everything, let's talk about these. So these are the Capri Papadopoulou. They are like wafers that have something like Nutella in them. They are delicious. They are really, really tasty. But I'm gonna tell my partner to put one away, because if I have them in the cupboard, I'm just gonna demolish them. They're really, really nice. These biscuits are way better than Oreos. They're not as sweet, and they just have chocolate and chocolate biscuit. Really nice. This is a typical Greek chocolate, Aeon Almond Aeon, and it is from the brand Papadopoulou. You find these typically in Greece. This is like famous company. And then this top, I really like having salad with dry fig. I think I filmed the video, maybe I haven't. If I haven't, just let me know. And if you want to see me make this salad, I put like spinach and rocket and pomegranate and parmesan cheese and balsamic, really nice salad. So I want to try this one. I've tried balsamic creams from Top before. Top is a really well-known brand that makes vinegar in Greece. So I'm Greek. I don't know if I've said that. Or if you're like, why is she talking? And this is, I just wanted to remember my youth, and I got the strawberry lila pause. It's got like strawberry in here and then chocolate. So yeah, this is my Christmas treat. I'm going to show you one more thing that I've ordered from this shop. They're really good with the Agora. It's the online shop. I'll try to link it if I don't forget. I bought these. These are amazing. Like if you like dry bread or biscotti or whatever, these are really nice. I like having these with, again, they're Papadopoulou. All these are Papadopoulou. Papadopoulou is a really big brand in Greece. And these are like, what are they called in English? I don't even know if they have. It's got, anyway, they like biscotti, and I like having them with feta cheese or with salami. I ordered a pack from them last time. I think I'm going to place another order maybe in December just to get a few more things and Greek sweets. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments and I can show you what I got from them. And if you like, they've got loads of bakery goods, and this is not sponsored. I pay for this. They don't even know I'm filming the video. So yeah, if you want to check them out, do so. So this is, I don't even know when I stopped vlogging, but I'm going to finish off my vlog with, it's the 1st of December today, so it's Advent Calendar Day, and as you can see, I have opened my first Advent Calendar, which is a 12-day ASOS Advent Calendar, but I'm going to start opening it now, woohoo! And it is, the first present is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors HA, so this is a surface for hydrating formula, and it says something in French, and what does it say here? Apply after serums as needed for effective hydrated surface hydration. If irritation occurs, stop using that. So that's day one of my ASOS Advent Calendar. It's really cool, really like it, and you can keep the boxes. So that's box number one. Then I also bought, I've already seen this one, I got a Christmas sticker advent calendar for all you planner girls, and I will show you what's in day number one. You get these. So the sticker shop is called Lead. I don't even remember the sticker shop, but I'll tell you in a bit. But it's got these dots, which are nice, pretty colors, and you can use in your planner for bullet journaling and making lists. So the shop is called Little Friendly Designs, and this is a 12-day advent calendar for planner girls like me. And I also have this advent calendar, a Technique one. I haven't opened this one, so I have no idea. This is number one, so I will put down my phone and open day one. Oh, so in day one you get this nail varnish, which looks really nice. What color is it, guys? I'm colorblind. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to ask what color this is. But yeah, so that's my advent calendar for day one. So if you enjoyed this very long and random vlog, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up so I can pop up in your YouTube suggestions, and then maybe you can watch another video and enjoy it or not. Anyway, stay safe everyone, and there is lots of Christmas content coming up. I do beauty, I do plus size fashion, I do planner videos. I will have some Christmas vlogs, but I'm not going to do Vlogmas because I don't have enough time for that. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Γεια σας! Φιλάκια!